What car design was inspired by a World War II fighter jet? What car sparked the pony car revolution of the 1960s? The Ford Mustang. I'm going to give you 5 design features about this Hollywood action hero. Number 1, it has a 5-litre V8 engine sending power to the rear wheels. Point number 2, with that amount of power you need downforce to keep it on the road. That's why the front end, or the predatorial front end let's call it, is designed to resemble that of the nose of a great white shark. Point number 3, the interior appeals certainly to the John Wayne of driving enthusiasts. Get in and it's like getting into your own man cave with an insane attention to detail. Point number 4, staying with the whole aerodynamic design, the rear of the car, you will notice the slant or the slope of the roofline and the windscreen. That's called a fastback design, and that generates even more downforce. And point number 5, like an atypical action hero that's just been blown out of an erupting volcano and still manages to keep that wit looking hairstyle, the Mustang has been featured in more movies than any other car in history. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.